Hello everyone, my name is Ramandeep Kaur. Today I'm going to talk about how metabolic pathways are regulated. So first of all, we will know what is metabolism is. Some of the chemical reaction occurring in a living organism is a metabolism. Metabolic reactions and pathway are of two types, anabolism and catabolism. Anabolism. Anabolism create molecules the body needs for functionality and it uses energy in the process. It synthesis of large molecule. An example of anabolism is the photosynthesis. Synthesizing glucose is an anabolic process. Catabolism. Catabolism is a breakdown of larger molecule. Catabolism breaks down complex molecule and release energy which is available for body to use. An example of catabolism is respiration. Breaking down glucose. Breaking down glucose is a catabolic process. Metabolic pathway. A metabolic pathway is an enzyme controlled reaction leading to a product. Each new subtract is the product of previous reaction. How metabolic pathway are regulated? Metabolic pathway are controlled by presence or absence of particular enzymes in the metabolic pathway and through the regulation of the rate of reaction of key enzyme within pathway. Regulations can be controlled by intra and extracellular signal molecule. Introduce fit the role of active enzyme of active site of enzyme including shape and substrate infinity. How enzyme affect activation energy, the effect of substrate and end product concentration on the direction and rate of enzyme reaction. Enzyme often act in group or as multi-enzyme complex. Control of metabolic pathway through competitive and feedback inhibition. Enzymes. Almost all enzymes are protein, but a few are molecule of nucleic acid like RNA. Enzyme facilitate chemical reaction, increase rate of reaction without being consumed, lower activation energy needed to start reaction, and required for most biological reaction, and it control reaction of life. Enzymes. In enzymes, there are three vocabulary we use. One is substrate, it reactant which bind to enzyme, and enzymes substrate complex temporary association. Second one is product, end result of a reaction, and active site. Enzymes, active sites, catalyst site. Substrates fit into active sites. An enzyme may be inactive until it combines with the non-protein component called a cofactor, which helps the active site attain its appropriate shape or help bind the enzyme to its substrate. A cofactor may be an ion or an element. A factor affecting enzyme functions. The shape of enzyme are critical to their functions. Exposure of excessive heat, radiation, electricity, certain chemical or fluid with extreme pH value can denature or alter the shape of an enzyme. Many enzymes become inactive at 45 degrees Celsius and nearly denature at 55 degrees Celsius. Resources I used, it's our textbook, Hole's Human Anatomy and Physiology 15 edition. And there is two link I used, Chemistry, LiberTex organization, and Biology, difference between catabolism and anabolism. Thank you.